Hello everybody, my name is Jermaine. This is my finally homework. I'm a beautiful and blonde girl. I'm in material. I'm fast and short because my height is 153 centimeters and my weight is 51 kilograms. I have black long hair and it's silky smoothly and my parents and I love it. My face is oval and my skin like a baby skin. And I like wearing dress because it's to be broadly and feminine. And my interests are dance and traveling. I'm finding a part-time job in education, and I wish my life so far is high social status. Thank you for your listening.